Holy Sierra! We're at Out West Truck Fest Day 2. We're gonna take a walk around of no budget. It's a 2024 Denali 3500 Ultimate. Up front, we're gonna start it off with a color match GMC badge on the outers, black inner. We also color matched the lower bumper piece here, color matched the toe hooks, and as well as this bottom piece here. Color match this little fender piece here, usually the black textured look. For the lift on this truck, we went with a 3-inch BDS Lift, paired that with Fox shocks, and then we got 22 by 12 American Force wheels, wrapped that in Toyo AT3 tires. We also went with color match fender flares, Boost Auto Switchback lights, Boost Auto Switchback cab lights, and Boost Auto Switchbacks in the mirrors. Mirrors have been fully color matched as well. Around the window trim is usually just a chrome. We color match that as well. Color match door handles, black vinyl along the running board strip there. And then this box step side piece, we color match the outside, left the inside for traction. And then the lower fender caps here, we color match those as well. Coming around the back, it's one of my favorite looks on this truck here. We got a tinted third brake light, tinted tail lights, lots of color matching going on here within the plastic. This top bumper piece, this bumper piece right here, and of course color match GMC badge to finish this build all off.